Joe here for Joyrider TV. It is absolutely honking today in Vasiliki Bay. So it's kind of like champagne that's been shaken up and it's coming out the top. The cork is missing and it's hit somebody in the face. I've just been out sailing on the 16 with Vicky.
Hi.
And we've smashed it. 25.13 knots on the loco sys there. That is quick. Didn't take a camera for that one, so I'm now going out with Anna.
Hi.
All right, on the 16 with the camera. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so we're back on 16 number 2. Seems to be the ticket of the season so far. Jeez. Okay, thank you. It's actually windy early today, which is why it's so strong, but it also means it's a bit more gusty than normal because the thermal effect hasn't come along to fill in the holes. So just going to see if I can pull this forwards so we can get going. Okay, off the mooring first test. Okay, I think we can make that. Just have to get behind the tiger. First challenge, can we avoid hitting the tiger? Yes, we've done it, we didn't hit the tiger. Okay, that's a good start. Okay, so we'll just do some preparations. Yeah, you can pull it in a bit so it stops flapping. Yeah, I'll do it if you like. So, pulling on as much downhaul as we possibly can. Alright, that's going to help. Okay. God. Oh no. I've experienced a problem. Can you hold the stick? Just keep it pushing into the wind. Boom cam has become dangling camera there. Okay, alright, thanks. Camera's dangling again. Alright, so I just need to keep it sheeted in a bit to stop this vlogging. Yeah, you just got on one end first. Okay. Yeah, or yeah, point it. Yeah, that would. Okay. Nice. Just when it was difficult enough, anyway. All right. So I think what we'll do is we'll go downwind a bit first. So if you come back towards me. Okay, you can let the jib off a bit as well. What? Okay. So just getting a bit of space so that we can go more on a close reach to start with, where a boat will be a bit more stable, make it a bit easier to start with. Okay, so we'll just turn upwind there a little bit. Everything's going to get a bit more exciting. It's going to get a bit windy as well. Okay. Yeah, so you can go out there if you want. Okay. wind, it is essential to keep the crew really far forwards on the trampoline. Well, I'll just get around this wind circle first. Okay. So, right, you ready? Ready? Okay. So, cranking it in, pushing it up, suits the jib backs, we can move across the boat. Yeah, okay, you can let the jib off. The boat knows what to do. Okay, well done, the boat. Okay, yeah, we need to pull the jib travellers over as well. We get, well, actually, just pinging it up there a bit in the gust, because when it's this windy, using the traditional technique of bearing away in the gust, that could actually drive the bows in, which certainly we don't want. So just popping it up, that's going to pop the bow out, and we're just going to take it in safely, sitting on the boat, so that we get back in one piece. I think this should be a commercial video. Yeah. What we'll do is we'll both have to jump off and pull the boat up to the buoy. It's not so deep. Okay. Woo, we made it. We made it. Yeah. So we got back in one piece. That was the main objective, of course. I think we have lost a batten from the jib. Jib to lose the batten there. Oh yes, thank you. And the runners as well. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching. That wasn't actually what I had in mind, but sometimes you've just got to think it's probably better that we get back in one piece than go for ultimate glory and have some sort of explosion on the way, and then nobody's laughing anymore. So thanks very much. Back more with some more on oh my goodness gracious me, Joyrider TV.